today we'll be making Cosmic Galaxy soaps.
First, before we start, please like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss one of Giselle's awesome videos.
And if it gets to 10 likes, we will do a part 2 and we'll make sure to do another cool set.
Yes.
So let's get on to the video. So first up here is the box, and we've got some scissors.
Trusty scissors.
And I'm going to open it up. Okay, so
whoa! There's
guys, look at
4.
Oh my gosh, you can make 4. It comes with a whole bunch of clear soaps.
And then it comes with colour.
Stingy Midgiggy.
Gloves out of mine. She has pink ones right there.
And we got a whole bunch of scents and food dye.
So, how this is going to work, what we're going to be doing is, we have a box. As you can hear this, if you can hear, there's something in here. There are 2 pieces of paper. They both have the scents, because we read the box before we opened it, because it says at the back, there. So, in here we have the scents.
Yes.
So the scents are
lavender and blueberry. So
So-
we're going to put our hands in and see
pick
which
one
we get.
out. So we're not going to open it till we both have one.
Yes.
So I'll mix it up for you first. Go. It's up.
Oh. Okay.
Okay, ready? Don't open it. 3, 2, 1.
I got lavender.
blueberry.
Lavender.
Ooh. Hi.
Okay.
I think this is actually going to be really cool because my favorite scent is actually lavender.
Really?
Yeah,
Ooh.
so it's kind of cool. Okay, so now we're going to open up the thing.
And get our scents out so you can see better. So that's
Wow,
lavender.
the lavender looks so cool, guys. There's your blueberry.
This is the blueberry scent.
It's like
yeah.
a turquoise. Okay.
Oh, let's smell it.
Yeah. Got to be careful though.
That smells so good.
Oh. Oh, wow. This is actually like
I'm already
really
loving it.
good. Okay, now we're going to put our other ingredients into the
To the
box
box.
and we can pick it out and see what we get. So now we have our box right here.
And we're back to go for round 2. So
Yes.
we gonna have to take. So there's 3 colors:
It's purple, black, and
purple,
blue.
black.
Perfect.
So you have to pick 2 colors out of the box.
2.
So the first person will have to pick 2, then open them up, put them
Yeah.
back in, and the next person will have to open 2.
And whoever has, we need 1 color and then get it black.
Go.
And then 1 more.
Yeah.
Wait, I
What's
need
it?
1 more.
What did you get?
So I got blue dye and purple dye. So I don't need.
So she's not using black today. My go.
Because now she has to. Now she has to pick out her 3, her 2.
One. I need another one.
Oh yeah.
This one. So I got blue dye and purple dye,
That's exactly what I got. So we're doing the same. Cool.
but different scents.
Yeah.
So
And now we have to do the mold round. So
let's get the
we have
black
to pick
dye.
out the modes. So all the molds that are here are a space one, Jupiter, and 2 stars. So guys, we literally just put everything in the thing.
And we put our gloves on.
Yes. So
we
we're
have
ready
one
to
more
do it.
round, and that is
Third round.
for star 1, a UFO, a planet. I think it's
Jupiter.
Jupiter or Saturn or something, and then star 2.
So let's get the box and pick out the items.
So we only pick 1.
So I actually don't know which one I really want. I kind of want a big one.
I kind of want the planet or the
Same, 'cause
UFO.
it's big.
I think kind of want the UFO.
It's hard to grab. Ooh, I picked one.
Ready? Don't open it. Don't open it. You have to hold it for me. Okay, got one. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1.
I can't open it.
I got the UFO.
2 hours later.
It's this little spaceship.
I can't open
thing.
it. Yeah, the gloves aren't
got
working for now.
Star 1. So you are doing this one.
That's cool.
Okay, so now it's time to get up the instructions and make our soaps.
So here are the instructions, and now we're going to read them out. So first step, put gloves on before you start. Then place 30 grams of clear soap into the mixing cup. So let's put our gloves on because I should
In the mixing cup.
and put 30 grams into it.
I need to take. So I'm
Does that
guessing
mean we
this
have to melt it?
Oh, this is 30 grams.
Do we have to melt? Oh, okay, that makes sense. Yay! So, see guys, it's
So this is the clear soap. So what happened to Giselle's one is it like fully didn't work. It failed. I still have a little bit of my mixture left that hasn't like frozen or anything. So I'm going to scratch instructions, and I'm just going to use my own little thing. So first I'm going to add the color into here. I don't trust me on this that this is going to work. So I'm going to add the purple one. 3 drops.
So mine was an epic fail, guys. Don't put your plastic in the oven. It like melted everywhere. So now we're just doing layers. So yeah, guys, I had a complete epic fail. So do not try that. It just doesn't work. Now I'm gonna open this up and see. So the only food dye we have left is this black dye. So we're trying to make it galaxy themed, so we might like swirl it up and make it like galaxy. Added 3 drops of this blue basil.
Keep adding
More?
all the.
It's not galaxy.
Now we have to put this in the fridge and let it set.
So guys, like you saw, never use plastic cups into the oven. So if you guys enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe and turn on your post notifications so you never miss a video like this one. So yeah, bye!